Well, good Sunday afternoon to you there, the 8th of December. We have quite a mixed bag of precipitation of the East Coast storm heading up here in the mid-Atlantic today. I'm Weather Ranger meteorologist Mike Griffith here, and let's take a look and see what's going on radar right now. Down in Hampton Roads, which is where I'm located down here in the Tidewater, Virginia, it's actually pretty cold rain right now. Just went out to Starbucks and got soaked, and it was a cold soaking. We have some reports of light icing actually already occurring out here in Richmond. Right here, this one report stating light coating of ice and trees and on deck and grass. Out here west of Richmond in the far suburbs, or maybe even farther out there towards Charlottesville, we have a coating of ice on elevated surfaces. I assume they're probably talking about tree branches. Some more storm report overlays on the radar. Now, there's no precipitation being reported out here because the radar is only limited to Wakefield, Virginia. We have a 5-inch report, 4-inch report, 2-inch report, 6-inch reports, mostly in the mountains of West Virginia. Let's take a look at the dual polarization radar here. This is a new and exciting feature that the National Weather Service has installed at all their radar facilities across the United States. A multi-billion-dollar upgrade that it costs to put this new feature on all their radars. This right here is indicating light rain. Out here is indicating dry snow. This is actually probably accurate. Now, the way dual polarization radar would work with a conventional radar is as you get further away from the radar site is right here, as we get further away, the radar beam is at an angle like this. So at a farther distance away from the radar, out here, it's going to be at a higher level in the atmosphere where the radio signal is, the radar beam. So it crosses over into the freezing layer and it paints snow out here. Now, it could be raining underneath this blue where it's indicating dry snow, but to some reports that I saw on Facebook up around the district and even the Maryland side, it's already snowing up there. So let's take a look at our Philadelphia site here. If it will load. Interesting enough, it looks like the dual pole isn't working for Philadelphia right now. But it looks like we're picking up some. I picked the tower, the terminal Doppler radar. I didn't pick the conventional WSR-88D. Decent snow band we can see right here heading across the extreme southern southeastern corner of Pennsylvania, southern tip of Lancaster, southern tip of Chester, and extreme southern Delaware County from the Maryland border and moving up into Pennsylvania right now. And also the band goes across parts of New Jersey here. So let's take a look at the dual polarization feature for here. And this is indicating, let's look at the legend over here on the right, or on the left I should say. This is indicating dry snow everywhere across the whole region, and this has actually been confirmed. So if you can actually go on our page, and if you're in the Philadelphia metro region, tell us how much snow you've got. We'd be interested to hear from you. So this whole system is going to move up to the north. It's tracking to the north right now. And we can see, according to the observations right now, that there is light snow report at Philadelphia Airport with a temperature reading of 30 degrees. It's 28 degrees in Harrisburg and 28 degrees up in Allentown, 38 degrees down here in Norfolk. And this line right here is what you want to pay attention to. This is the line of critical thickness. This means where you can expect a changeover to more wintry precipitation. So this 540 line right now is across the Pennsylvania-Maryland border with the 0-degree isotherm way down in Virginia here. I can tell you it was a cold rain a little bit ago, that's for certain. So this whole scenario is going to be pushing northward. So as this 540 critical thickness line, which means your wintry mix changeover, is going to be heading to the north throughout the day today, and more than likely we'll see a changeover to rain. So whatever snow we have right now is going to eventually change over to sleet and then over to all plain rain, and everything is going to melt. So enjoy the wintry scene while it lasts, because it won't stick around for too long. I'm going to sign off here, and we'll post more updates if conditions get worse or if there's any major changes coming. But for now, have a good rest of your Sunday and a good work week tomorrow if I don't talk to you. I'm Weather Ranger, forecaster, and meteorologist Mike Griffith. Have a good one.